What to do if phone screen flickering? Quick fixes to you must try. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do. Today we're gonna talk about that what to do if your phone is flickering. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Let's begin the video. First of all, I faced this problem and I found that it's working for me. If your mobile has any problem and it's just flickering, its screen is flickering, then what you can do, first of all, switch off your mobile phone and after few seconds just switch on. That means restart your phone. When you restart your phone, flickering may go and you will see no flickering. Even though if flickering is on, you can check for software update. Yes, check for the app in which it's flickering. Please update that app. Otherwise, in whole the working it's flickering, then please update your mobile phone so that you don't get any flickering again. Hardware problem, there may be any hardware problem, so you have to go to the repairing center and you can get repaired that over there. If you have a display settings problem, then just go to the display settings and click on auto adaptation or auto brightness options. Then it may be flickering will not be occur again. And the main thing is that factory reset. If even though you not getting a solution for this, many times you can copy your data and after that factory reset your mobile phone and it will work like a new mobile phone and your problems will be gone. Like the video, subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and any trick worked for you, don't forget to comment down below. Bye bye for now. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.